easiest way to start building up your emergency fund and paying off your debt is to start doing simple digital coupon deals on all of your household and personal care products. So come couponing with me at CVS this week. We're gonna save 75%. There's so many great laundry deals. We're getting large 42 count Gain Flings for $2.59. All laundry products for $1.49 a piece, and all you need is your phone. My channel is dedicated to helping you save money and reach your financial goals using only your phone. So if that's something that you're interested in, you should definitely subscribe and stick around for more. Below for you guys in the description box is going to be a printable breakdown and a bunch more resources for you guys. So definitely check that out, as well as the link to my completely free live masterclass this Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be going over step by step how to find deals on all of your family essentials and how you can use my 3-step process to use the savings to pay off your debt and build your emergency fund at the same time. So if that's something you're interested in, that link will be below for you guys, or you can go to breeworkshops.com to reserve your seat. It's 100% live. I do a full Q&A at the end as well. So if you have any questions, please bring them so I can personally help you on your money saving journey. Let's head inside to CVS and take advantage of some amazing deals this week. We're going to start with an easy oral care deal that you guys can do on Crest. So select ones, the larger ones are on sale for $4.99. Buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. Grab 2 of them. On the CVS app, you're going to clip the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5.98, get back the $4 extra buck, makes them just 99 cents a piece. This next deal on CoverGirl I am super excited about. So any 2 CoverGirl products, when you buy 2, you'll get back a $5 extra buck. Keep in mind, with Valentine's Day right around the corner, if you're putting together a little gift basket for someone, this could be a really good deal for you to grab. Get whatever products you think that person would like. What I'm gonna do is grab 2 of these eyelash curlers. I actually don't have any, and I've been keeping my eye on them. They're $6.29 each. Then I'm going to use the $4 instant coupon everyone got and the $2 manufacturer digital coupon. I'll pay $6.58, earn back that $5 extra buck, makes it $1.58 for 2 of these, which is an amazing deal. If you like all detergent, I personally use it for my son because he has eczema, so the free and clear works really well for him. We're going to save 40% this week, and we're getting some cash back. So what we're going to do is grab 2 of them. They're $11.99 on sale. Buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck. The best way to do it is to grab one of these because you're going to be able to submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back. Then grab one of these, submit over to Ibotta for another $2 cash back. So for both, you'll pay the $23.98 out of pocket. If you have any extra bucks, you already know you can use those to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then you'll earn back the $6 extra buck, $4 cash back from Ibotta. Makes your net cost $13.98 for 2 of them, or $6.99 a piece. The next all deal is going to be on these smaller bottles here. They're on sale for $4.99. Buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. So same thing, you're going to grab one of these. On Ibotta, we have a $1.50 cashback offer. The limit is 1. We're also going to grab a smaller of the packs. There is another $1.50 offer on Ibotta. So for one of each, you'll pay the $9.98 out of pocket, get back the $4 extra buck, plus $3 cash back from Ibotta. Makes your final cost $2.98 for 2 of them, or $1.49 a piece. Are you kidding me? Now we're grabbing my absolute favorite product. So I cannot find these Lysol dual action wipes anywhere besides CVS. I don't know if they just don't make them or what, but they are my favorite because the scrub side just works so well. This week, they're buy 1, get 1 free, and buy 2, get a $3 extra back. So I'm gonna pay $10.99 out of pocket for 2 of them, get back the $3 extra buck, makes it $7.99 for both, or $3.99 a piece, which is a great deal for a product that I'm gonna use. If you don't use Lysol wipes, here's another option you can do. It's part of the same deal, so you have to pick which one you want to do. The Finish Powerball are also buy 1, get 1 free and included. So if you want to do this one instead, you'll pay $9.99 out of pocket for both of them, get back the $3 extra buck, makes it $6.99 for 2 of them, or only $3.49 a piece. Now let's do the household deal for P&G. When you spend $30 on select products, you'll get back a $10 extra buck. We're gonna grab some Febreze that are 20% off. So if your store has them at $4.69, they'll ring in at about $3.75. There is a $2 off one digital coupon on the CVS app. I think I'm gonna grab two. For the second product, I'm gonna use the $2 coupon from the Coupons 24 app. Next, I'm gonna grab one of these large Gain Flings for $13.49. On the Coupons 24 app, there is a $3 off one digital coupon. Next, I'm gonna grab one of the small Tide Pods for $5.49. On the CVS app, there's a $1 off one digital coupon, so click that. And finally, to get us over the $30 mark, I'm gonna grab a small Tide Liquid. There is a $1 digital on the Coupons 24 app. So these are the 5 products that I'm gonna grab. Total is gonna be $31.97. I'll go over the checkout process in just a second when using the Coupons 24 app. After all the coupons come off, we have $9 worth of digital coupons. I'm gonna pay $22.97, earn back the $10 extra buck, makes my net cost $12.97 for 5 products or $2.59 a piece. That is insane. That's about 50% savings on these. That's like 75% off of this. That's even cheaper on the Febreze than you would pay if you went to Walmart. So here's your checkout process. Yes, you can use the Coupons 24 app at self-checkout. I personally always go to a cashier though, instead of self-checkout. So at a cashier, what I do is type in my phone number, they scan the products, then they're gonna scan the barcodes on the Coupons 24 app. You can have them scan each barcode individually, or when you open the app, there's a My Coupons barcode. That one barcode will encompass all of your digital coupons that you activated. Then they'll hit total, and then the CVS digital coupons will come off. You'll pay whatever is remainder out of pocket, or you can always pay with extra bucks as well to further lower your cost. We also have a really good deal on my favorite makeup wipes. These are the ones that I personally use every night. They're from Neutrogena. These are the 25 count, and they're buy 2, get a $7 extra buck. They're $7.29 at my store. Some stores are $6.99, so adjust your math accordingly. There's a 4 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app. I'm gonna pay $10.58, get back the $7 extra buck, makes it $3.58 for 2 of them, or just $1.79 a piece. Amazing deal for a product I love. Okay, we're back in from CVS, and I actually had one issue for my first transaction, which never happens at CVS. So I was like, this is weird. Make sure to, before you guys go to the store, you have a printable breakdown with you. If you've not used a breakdown before and you need help with it, I have a free breakdown template below in the description box, but make sure you take it with you. This is what I use. Now mine has a bunch of writing about the videos that I'm gonna be creating, so ignore that, but here's probably an easier one. It's gonna have the breakdown of exactly what products I'm grabbing, what I'm paying out of pocket. That way you know at checkout when you do your first transaction, wait a minute, this is not the right amount that I should be paying out of pocket, and then you know, okay, something went wrong. So my first transaction, let me show you guys, and I'll let you know what coupons didn't work, and then they wound up fixing it, which was really cool. So my first transaction, I did the smaller bottles of all. I did the Crest, the CoverGirl, and the Neutrogena. Only the Neutrogena digital coupon was wanting to come off. The Crest and the CoverGirl was not coming off. So I was like, okay, maybe it's an issue with the curlers. Even though I scanned the curlers, even though it showed it was popping up, I was like, let me just try something else. So I went and got 2 other products that, again, it showed it was working for, and it still wasn't working. So she did something on my app where she like voided it or removed the coupon and re-added it. Honestly, I don't know what she did. She just kind of did it and did it so fast. She wasn't like explaining it, which is fine. Like, I don't need to know what you're doing, just as long as it works. And then it wound up working and coming off. And honestly, at the beginning, I didn't even realize the oral care, the Crest coupon didn't come off, but I knew the CoverGirl didn't come off. So when she fixed that, all of it wound up coming off, which is perfect because that was another $10 in digital coupons that I was expecting to come off. So once she did whatever she did, which was amazing, then everything came off. I rolled all my extra bucks from last week, paid $16.94, but I did use a Fetch Rewards gift card. If you don't have any gift cards available, you still would have only paid $16.94 for about $40 worth of products. Then I received back all of my extra bucks for doing those deals. Also submitted to Ibotta. It's giving me back $4.50, but I didn't get the all sensitive fresh, so that one's not going to finalize. So it should be $3 cash back, 2 different rebates. My next transaction, I did the large all bottles, and then I did the Lysol wipes as well. I also had a $1 Lysol digital coupon. I honestly forgot I even clipped that, which is why I didn't mention it in the video, so that was nice. I had a feeling there was a coupon. Anyway, instantly rolled all my digital coupons, all my extra bucks from the first transaction, paid $16.45 with a Fetch Rewards gift card. Again, if you don't have one, no worries. You would have paid the $16.45 out of pocket. Then you would submit over to Ibotta. I got $4 cash back. And stay with me, I'll show you exactly how I'm entering. Why am I so washed out? I'll show you how I'm entering all of this into my brand new digital budget spreadsheet. I haven't released this or shown anyone yet in the public. I'm super excited. So stay tuned. I'll share that with you in just a second. Then, sorry, I needed to put a Halls in my mouth. I'm like off and on feeling sick and like having a cough and then I don't, and it's driving me nuts. My last transaction, I did the PG deal. Here's all the digital coupons that came off. These 3, the first ones are from the Coupons 24 app. These 2 are from the CVS app. These are the extra bucks I earned from my second transaction. Paid $16.21. It was so weird. All of them came to like 16 and change with a gift card. So for me, it cost nothing out of pocket. I didn't earn any cash back on this one, but I did get back my extra bucks. So make sure that you are just organized at checkout. So this is what it looks like at checkout. I have my breakdown. I have my coupons I'm going to hand them, or my extra bucks. Everything is right there ready to go. So that's what I follow. Now let's head home. Stick with me. I'm going to show you in 30 seconds how I enter this into my new digital budget spreadsheet. I'll link it below for you guys if you want to snag it. That way you can track every single expense, not just your couponing expenses, but also factor in your couponing hauls and how that's going to help you with your financial goals. So let's head home and take a look. Okay, so this is my new spreadsheet. We are at the month of January and we are in the couponing section over here. So what we're going to do, this is very similar to the other budget spreadsheet that I had, but we're not factoring in rewards you're using or rewards you're earning, because when you're talking about a budget, you're only talking about real cash. Rewards you're earning and rewards you're using are tools to lower your actual cost. So what we're going to be writing in now, we're going to do the date. We're going to pick the store. Now, same thing, we're adding up all the sale prices from everything in your first transaction. So my first transaction was $47.62 worth of products. I didn't pay anything out of pocket because I used the gift card. Cash back on my first transaction was $3 from Ibotta, and then it's going to give you your real cash cost. So my second transaction was $34.97. I didn't pay anything out of pocket, and I earned $4 cash back. And my last transaction was $31.97. I didn't pay anything out of pocket, and I did not earn any cash back on that one. So everything is going to finalize as well for you, same as before. So you're going to have an average percentage saved for the entire month. I'm at 78%. You're also going to have total money that you've saved for the month. And then up here, it's going to show you the total that you have left over in your budget from doing all of your breakdowns and your total that you've saved from couponing as well. That way you can then implement the 50-30-20 rule. So 50% of that is going to calculate. That's going to be the payment that you make towards your debt for the month. Your emergency fund, you're going to transfer 30%. And your goal, you'll transfer over 20%. So all this calculates for you. So if you guys want to snag the sheet, it's down below for you guys in the description box, or it'll be tagged on this video as well. You have a financial goals tab, your annual dashboard, your budget setup, and then all of your months are down here as well. So super excited to launch this. I hope you guys absolutely love it. And just at the end of the day, take the time to track your spending. It is so, so important. Thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't signed up for my free live masterclass, click the link here. That way you can reserve your seat. It's going to be at 3 p.m. Eastern time. I do a full Q&A at the end as well. So please bring me your questions so I can help you on your financial journey. I will see you guys there. Bye.